We have an iPhone 13. It has a problem with Face ID. Let's go into deep dive after the intro. Now checking the FaceID through the V1 Say Repair Programmer. The system reported FaceID chip is malfunctioning. Taking backup of Face ID data. This is the new FaceID Flex. Write the data to the new Flex cable. Cutting metal shield through the mini electric cutter. Remove the shield. Now removing second layer shield through hot gun. The temperature should be 150 degree. Removing Face ID Flex. Removing dot projector. Attach the dot projector with the holding fixture. Go to microscope view. Remove the MOSFET. Jump the pin through soldering paste. Now attach the dot projector with the new Face ID Flex cable. After that, attach Face ID Flex with the front camera module. Assembling the phone. Now checking the Face ID. It's working fine. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your opinion, comment in the comment section.